Now, Canva has a few different options when it comes to their paid plans. You can pay by monthly or you can pay by yearly. Now, how much is Canva Pro for the year? Well, if we come over to their pricing plans, we can check it out just here. So Canva Pro per month is £12.99. Now, depending on where you live, this might look slightly different. If you're in the US, this might be $12.99. But if we click on yearly, which is just here, it's now going to tell us how much it is for 1 year of Canva Pro. And as we can see, it's £99.99 per year here in the UK. Now again, if you're in the US, this is more than likely going to be $99.99. Now, if you want to try out a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro, then there will be a link down in the description. Disclaimer, it is an affiliate link, so if you do decide to purchase, I will make a small commission. But nonetheless, for Canva Pro, for the year, is £99.99. And if we take a look just here, you're actually going to save up to 16% when you pay yearly. But nonetheless, if you decide to buy Canva Pro, it's going to cost you £99.99 per year, or $99. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this video.